Hello everybody, this is Oscar Landero Campos again, and this is my job. I hope you like it. Let's begin. Now, this time we will talk about the adventure and disadventure of traditional learning, or traditional education, and e-learning. Okay? Now let's begin. Well, the learning process. In traditional learning is conducted with a world-class participant. There is almost no group or individual study. In e-learning, most of the learning process takes place in group or by the individual style. Now, the classroom discussion. In traditional learning, the teacher usually talks more than the student. In learning, the student talks at least as much as more than the teacher. The subject matter. In traditional learning, the teacher conducts the lesson according to the study program and the existing curriculum. In e-learning, the student participates in determining the subject matter. The study is based on various sources of information, including with data banks and experts located by the student. Now, it starts the emphasis in the learning process. In traditional learning, the student learns what and not how the student and the teacher are busy completing the required subject matter quota. The students are not involved in inquiry-based education and in solving problems, but rather is taken by the teacher. Okay? Now, in traditional learning, in e-learning, the student learn how and less what. The learning includes research study, which combines research and collecting information from real data banks and authorities on the communication network. The learning is better connected to the real world. The subject matter is richer and included. Now is the third to the motivation. The motivation in traditional learning, the student motivation is low and the subject matter is distant from them. In learning, the student motivation is high due to the involvement in matter that are close to them and to the use of technology. Now the teacher's role. The teacher's role is the authority. The teacher is the authority. Like always. In e-learning, the teacher directs the student to the information. In location of learning, in traditional learning, the learning takes place within the classroom and the school. No very more. The learning takes place with no fixed location. This is in e-learning. And the last one is lesson structure. In traditional learning, the teacher dictates the structure of the lesson and the division of time. In e-learning, the structure of the lesson is affected by group dynamic. So this is all, and this is Oscar Landero Campos, and see you the next time. See you later, bye.